What? You got... He sniped me and then he fucking just completely shit on me. No fucking way he lost that. The fucking person killed me. And of course.
I knew he was
him.
The kids on top still?
Marking aid station. Marking aid station.
No, they get. Oh, never mind.
Oh shit.
This is Striker 3-1, good copy.
Are you good?
Strike inbound.
Yeah, I'm chilling. Oh my god, I just wiped the team on top. That airstrike.
They went up there.
I'll kill you myself.
Keep me wiped.
I'll push yellow. The vid.
Someone flying into her, right? In bed. They're ghosted. They're really bad.
that was coming.
In here?
Bugs
Yeah,
on
In
rough.
here. In here.
Bugs on rough. It's probably up top.
SM.
God damn, it's not just some big weaponry up here. What was that all about?
It's just a nailgun, 120 PSI nailgun.
Enemy dropping into the AO.
Oh fuck, the one behind us. What am I thinking?
Wait,
Okay,
the guy's on your roof right now. He just jumped up.
God!
Enemy UAV overhead.
I want to get down so I can mow. Wouldn't shotgun be like? I swear to God. Find out what to do.
This is really good.
I'm in this building. I don't know where.
You know that? Got into that.
What? Could be. You have two dads.
Taking fire. Friendly UAV overhead.
How does he do it? Yeah, good news.
I'll kill you
When
myself.
you guys win, you can res me right here.
Never mind.
One's floating.
Oh shit.
Oh my fucking god. Are you fucking kidding me?
Jack Dawson.
Crazy.
The fact that that gun has 90 rounds that do so much damage, like if you miss the first 50, you can have 40 more. Like, holy shit. Oh my god. He's hacking.
He's hacking,
Oh, he has a new gun.
hacking hard, hacking hard, hacking hard. No, he's hacking. You died
Oh,
way
you're
too
still
quick.
ready?
He
You're actually
reacted
really good,
way
bro.
too quick to that.
Chris, is he crushed away?
Oh yeah, he's hacking his ass off. He has a fucking nail gun.
Surviving earns them redeployment.
I'm scared.
Oh yeah, I'm backing us out.
I have none of his fucking
There's no point
butthole.
saying that being broken truly means
He's getting landed on.
kind of like that.
No! No! He was flanking.
No,
I choked that. That was bad. That
Gotta come videos again.
was bad. No, it wasn't your fault. It's Buck's fault. Buck made you way too positive.
Who the
Oh, there's
fuck
kids
is
on me,
that?
bro.
You said there's a kitten on you?
Full of ghost.
You're so far.
How did you just kill two in one fucking, in like half a second?
You
You're
can't
kinda
keep getting
sus.
away with
I'm not
this.
gonna lie, you're kinda sus.
No,
Kinda
you have to
like
see,
a-
dude. They were all peeking the same window, all three not even looking at me.
You're actually super cracked. He's killing the fucking street sweeper.
Alex, you left me. My God. Oh, he's feeling himself. How's it not a headshot?
What the bro?
What is your problem?
Where's his rival?
All of my own. Left me. I want to kill this guy. He deserves to die.
Watch for claymores.
There's a claymore on the door. They
Yep,
should have blown it up.
You guys are horrible. Fucking horrible. There's no way you guys lose that.
Wow, you're toxic.
Oh,
Crap.
Throwing grenade. Yeah, targeting me.
Enemy UAV overhead. Enemy UAV overhead.
What the fuck? What the?
That was too close.
Four enemies remain.
What?
You know what to do.
Oh my God, he's cheating.
Less than 5 were still standing. Let's come back and win this. Learn from the loss. Failure's a proper teacher.